One of the key features on this model is the Bluetooth pairing system. To activate it, we're going to go to Phone and Connect Phone. To access the Bluetooth feature, what you're going to do is click on the settings on your phone, click Bluetooth, make sure that the Bluetooth is on, and what you're going to do is you're going to press Connect New Device on the screen, and it's going to search for your device on the car. Once you find the device, click on it. That will give you the pairing code, and you'll click pair on your phone. Next, you'll click connect and activate any features that you'd like to be available on your car. And that's it, your phone's paired.